Alright, once again with my blue 2005 Toyota 4Runner V6 two-wheel drive. I was going through the car drive and one of my roof rack covers came off. The driver's rear, as you can see right here, it looks pretty crappy. So I looked online, Toyota OEM places, and the cost of this tiny little cap is astronomical. It's like 120 bucks a piece. So I went online, and you can find these guys, these replacements, on Amazon or on eBay. I will put all the part numbers right about now in front of you so that you can see them. And replacing this little cap is super easy. I'll show you in just a sec. So we're gonna open them with this handy dandy knife.
That's mine?
Yeah, the newest member of the 4Runner Ninja owns.
A wide knife?
And here it is, the part number, 63494-35021, which is the left rear. So let's open this bad boy and let's see if it fits. I have not seen it prior to this. So, oh man, look at this. This is awesome. You can see right here, these are the detents. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's one guide in the back. So let's see if it fits. So the first thing to keep in mind is that this guy right here has a guide. This guide goes on top of the roof rack, somewhere right here. So once you put that on, it'll guide kind of everything else. So there you went, and now it's just a matter of pressing it down, and there it is. Super hard installation. You need like a 4-year degree to do this. You need at least 3,500 hours of on-the-job training, and it looks awesome.
It only took 5 seconds to put it on.
And
It only took 5 seconds to put it on. He's just trying to get you to watch this video.
It only took about 5 seconds to put it on. Totally unskilled labor. Alrighty, you guys enjoy.